So for starters, I headed to the Dollar Tree to get my materials, which included mostly the toppings for my apples, pretzels, popcorn, candy corn, the whole you dig, because I wanted to do a very fall and festive theme here. So immediately down the candy aisle we went, and it did not disappoint. I also grabbed some skewers for the apples, and when it was time to set up, I placed everything out just so I could examine.
I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you.
Now, I'm a little bit of a type A person, so I needed a list to keep me organized, to keep me together. So I organized everything from dipping sauces to toppings to just regular snacks that I wanted to have, because what is fall without candy corn and popcorn and muffins? And once that was all said and done, I began to blend my toppings that needed to be crumbled. That included my Heath bars, Oreo crumbles, M&Ms, so on and so forth.
And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.
Once my toppings were all crumbled, I put them in cups and set them to the side while I melted my caramel and chocolate sauce. You can also use peanut butter. I did, but we're not going to talk about it because it didn't turn out right. You can put your dipping sauces in a crock pot or a regular pot with water, or you can melt them in the microwave. Just don't melt them too much, or the dipping sauce will just roll right off of your apples. I use both apples and pretzels for this recipe, but you can also use rice cakes. Honestly, the possibilities are endless, but these turned out so yummy. And now onto this beautiful and delicious autumn punch. It can be used as a mocktail or a cocktail. I started off with some apple cider. I added in a little ginger ale, or you could use a little Prosecco if that's your business. I also added in some caramel syrup, the kind that you would use for your coffee, just to give it that kind of like apple pie feeling. And I also added some tonic just because I feel like tonic gives that alcohol vibe without the alcohol. Add in some apples, cinnamon sticks, and some cranberries to make the color pop, make it look beautiful, and give it a stir. And there you go. I will definitely be sipping this for Thanksgiving this year. So tell me, guys, what is your favorite season, and what do you usually do to celebrate your favorite season? Make sure you comment, subscribe, and let me know.